This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Candy Carbon. Your lush backyard awaits. This conservation premium lot home located in FISHHAWK Ranch's village of Teal is full of upgrades. The 3-car garage, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms plus an office, plus a bonus area provides a generous floor plan for family living. The kitchen has 42 inches cabinets and 18 tile. The master suite offers a dual sink vanity, garden tub, walk-in shower and walk-in closet. 3 additional bedrooms are located on the opposite side of the house. The great room has newer slides to a 20 by 14 covered and screened-in patio with an amazing view. If you desire privacy, this home is perfect for you. The backyard has 6 wrought iron fencing and a professionally designed fort. The roof is an upgraded 3-dimensional type roof and there is a brand new Goodman 5-ton premium gas furnace installed September 2018. This new system is complete with a new air handler, new condenser, new breaker, new copper wiring and even a WIFI thermostat. But just wait. There is even a UV sanitation system. This system has a 10-year parts replacement, lifetime condenser replacement and 1-year maintenance. There is a Ring doorbell and even 2 security cameras included. Don't miss this opportunity to own a beautiful home in the coveted FISHHAWK Ranch community. For more information, review the details below.